students, today we will going to see the problems, that is a practice set 18. Okay, so before start the practice set, in practice set it is about the unlike and like fraction. What is unlike and like fraction? Unlike fraction means those denominator are different, they are known as the unlike fraction, and like fraction means those denominator are same, they are known as the like fraction. Okay, like fraction and unlike fraction, those denominator are different, they are known as the unlike fraction, those denominator are same, they are known as the like fraction. Here two examples are there how to solve the sums. Okay, 4 upon 3 and 2 upon 5. Now 4 upon 3 and 2 upon 5 both are unlike fraction. We have to convert them into like fraction. Okay, we have to convert them into a like fraction. So 3 and 5 both are not going in that table. 5 is not going in 3 table and 3 is not going in 5 table. Correct? See here. In 3 table 5 is not going, and in 5 table 3 is not going. So what we will do, we will multiply this number with 5, and after that we will multiply this number with 3. Okay, listen carefully afterwards. Okay, so what is that with this number, second fraction we will multiply by 3 and the first fraction we will multiply by 5. Always we have to multiply with the denominator only, not numerator. Numerator को आपको गिनना नहीं है. Okay, you have to only find the like fraction by getting the same number of denominator, not numerator. Okay, so now what we will do, see here. Four upon 3 and 2 upon 5. Two fractions are there. So first we will take 4 upon 3 and the both number we will multiply by the second fraction denominator, that is 5 and 5. Okay. 4 5s are 20. Sorry. 3 5s are 15. Okay, so first fraction we have completed. Now we will see the second fraction. The second fraction is 2 upon 5. 2 upon 5, that we will multiply by the first fraction denominator, that is 3. 2 3s are 6. 5 3s are 15. Now you can see the both denominator is same. Correct? Both the denominator are now same. It means we got the like fraction. And what is that? Why we have done this? Because both the numbers are not going in both the table. Okay, 3 is not going in 5 table. 5 is not going in 3 table. So that's why we have multiplied it by themselves only like this. If you will click, you will come to know कि 3 5 हमने पहले ऊपर करे और नीचे 5 3 कर दिए, तो जो आंसर 3 5 आएगा वही आंसर 5 3 आएगा. ओके, so then we got the answer, that is 20 upon 15 and 6 upon 15. So we got both the denominators same. So we got this answer. You have to do this method. Okay. So this is an answer. Now see the second example. Here both the number is not going in any table, in their table. Okay. Any means कोई भी table आप नहीं ले सकते, उनका ही table. Now see the second. 1 upon 2 and 6 upon 8. Okay, now 8 is in 8 table 2 will not go, we all know, but in 2 table 8 is going. Okay, in 2 table 8 is going, 2 के table में 8 जाता है. It means we have to only change the first fraction. Second fraction we have to keep as it is. Why? Because when in 2 table 8 is going, then the denominator will become 8 and there is no value to change the second fraction. Okay, so what you will do, you will first write 1 upon 2 multiply 2 kitne za 2 4 za 8, correct? So you will write 2 4 za, and numerator also you will write the same because it is an equivalent fraction. So your answer will come 1 4 za 4, 2 4 za 8. So what answer you got? You got 4 upon 8 and 6 upon 8. So both the denominator you got the same. Wait, let me rub it first, then I will explain you again. See, again I am saying if in 3 table 5 is not going and in 5 table 3 is not going, it means we have to multiply the whole fraction. It means the first fraction you will multiply with the second fraction denominator. After that you will multiply second fraction with the first fraction denominator. Okay, then you will get the same denominator. In second sum, what we have seen that the second fraction is from the first fraction table, we get the second fraction answer. So there is no need to change the whole fraction. There is only need to change the first fraction. 8, it means we got the second fraction answer also. So there is no need to touch to the second fraction. Second fraction you have to keep as it is. If for example अगर ये 2 ये यहाँ पर 8 होता, 1 upon 8 होता और 6 upon 2 होता. Okay, so then also no problem. अगर if you think अरे ये second fraction है तो first fraction, no, there is no need to change. Okay, if it is a second fraction 2 4 जा 8 as it is you have to write. Okay, जैसे ये example दिया हुआ है ऐसे ही आपको करना है. Okay, okay, so problem set 18. See the first sum 3 upon 4 and 5 upon 8. So in 8 table 4 will not go because 4 is smaller than 8. But in 4 table does 8 is going? Yes. 4 2s are 8. So what you will do, you will write here 3 upon 4 and 5 upon 8. Two fractions are there. In second fraction, we don't have to change because in 4 table 8 is going. So you will write 3 multiplied by 8, sorry, 4 2s are 18. Multiply by 2 and 4 multiply by 2. So you will get the answer 3 2s are 6, 4 2s are 8. So your fraction will be 6 upon 8 and 5 upon 8. This one will be your fraction. Okay. See here, question number 3, 4 and 5. Okay. Question number 3, you are going to solve question number 4 and 5. See here. Mute yourself. Question
Okay.
number 4. The first sum is 2 upon 9 and 1 upon 6. It means in 9 table 6 is not going and in 6 table 9 is not going. So we have to multiply the whole fraction. So the first fraction we will multiply with the second fraction denominator and the second fraction we will multiply with the first fraction denominator. How? See here. First fraction is 2 upon 9. Okay. and that we will multiply it by the second fraction denominator. What is the second fraction denominator? It is 6. 2 6 are 12. 9 6 are 54. Now the next fraction, 1 upon 6. We will multiply it by the first fraction denominator, that is we multiply by 9. Okay, 1 9s are 9, 6 9s are 54. So your answer is 12 upon 54 and 9 upon 54. So we got the same denominator. It means now it is a like fraction. We have converted them from in unlike fraction to like fraction. The sum is solved. That's why I'm rubbing it so you can easily see it. In now here we have to give a proper sign, symbol. Okay, how? See here again. Suppose 3 upon 8 and 2 upon 8. Okay, so which sign to which now number I will give a sign? Both the denominator are same, so we will give the bigger number, that is 3. 3 is the bigger number, so we will give you a sign. Okay, but in if the denominator is not same, it means, for example, here is the example. You can see 4 upon 7 box 4 upon 11. Okay, here the denominator are not same, here the numerator are same. Okay, here the numerator are same, so we will give the sign to the 7. The bigger sign will be, we consider 7 as a bigger sign. Okay, 11 will be not a bigger sign when the numerator is same. Okay, so you will give here a sign to 7. Okay, second question, write proper symbol, greater sign, smaller sign or equal in the box 8. Okay, so 3 upon 7 and 3 upon 7. Both are numerator are also same and denominator are also same. Very good, students. So you will write equal sign. Both are equal. Okay, so you will write equal sign. Next is, in question number 1, I have teach you how to change the fraction into like fraction, correct? So 5 upon 15 and 10 upon 30, both the fractions are different and numerator is also different and denominator is also different. So we don't know how to change the how to give the sign. So first you have to solve the sum. In this way only you have to solve it. Okay, in this way only you will solve it. So first we will write 15 visa 15 and 30. In 15 table 30 is going. Yes, so we will take 5 upon 15. 15 kitne za? 15 twos are. So we will write 15 twos are and 5 twos are. 5 twos are 10 and 15 twos are 30. So which answer we got? We got 10 upon 30. And the second fraction is, as it is, we will write 10 upon 30. It means now the both the fraction is same. Now both the fraction is equal. So which sign I will give? I will give them a equal sign. Very good, Sanchita. The equal sign. Here also in question also you will give a equal sign because we got the answer. So we will get the equal sign. Okay. in question number 9 and 10. Question number 9. See question number 9. 5 upon 6 and 1 upon 8. 5 upon 6 means 5 upon 6 and 1 upon 8. Both the fractions are different. Not a denominator is same and not a numerator is same. So we will solve it and we will get the denominator same. जब हमको solve करना पड़ता है तब हम denominator same करते हैं. Okay, not numerator. So first we will in 6 table 8 is going. No. In 8 table 6 is going. No. So we will multiply by the denominator with fractions 5 upon 6 multiply by 8. 8 we got from here. Okay. 5 8s are 40. 6 8s are 48. Now the second fraction we will take. That is 1 upon 8 multiply by 6. 1 6 are 6. 8 6 are 48. So both the fraction denominator we get same. See here 40 upon 48. Here 6 upon 48. Here it is 6 upon 48. Okay. So what we will do now? We will give a sign. First we will give sign to the low down number, that is 40 upon 48 and 6 upon 48. So for the denominator is same. So we will give sign to the bigger number, that is 40 upon 48. And here also you will give sign to the first fraction only. You will give sign to the first fraction only because here in down we have given sign to the first fraction, correct?